kasi alam kung paano gumawa ng mango wine. Yun kasi yung project namin.
Uy, sakto, mango wine din yung ginawa natin, di ba? Yung kay Sir Jerry, tama. Alam mo ba, hindi naman mahirap yan. Kung pagtutulungan natin yan, magagawa natin yan. Gusto mo ba matuto kung paano gumawa ng mango wine?
Gusto ko sana, pero paano?
May kilala kaming dalawa. Gusto mo tulungan ka namin?
Sino?
Tara! Good day, Philippines! Welcome! I'm Ronit Castro speaking, and now I'm here in Novaliches, Quezon City with my crew, and we have a mission to accomplish. So yesterday, I received an email from a daily viewer named Angeline Bello, and she said she wants to learn a new recipe. We have here some professional chefs to teach her how to make a mango wine. So come and join me as we discover how to make a unique recipe and how to make a unique drink. So let's go!
A few moments later.
So now we are here in Remerville subdivision, and we're gonna visit Angeline's house to help her make the mango wine. So let's go! So here it is. I think it's the house of Angeline Bello. Let's talk to her. Can I talk to Miss Angeline Bello? So I am Ronit Castro, and we received your email, and this is my chef to help you in making the mango wine.
Okay, please come.
12 seconds later.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Chef Judy. Hi, nice to meet you. And I'm Chef Jira. Hi, nice to meet you. And we are here to help her to make a mango wine. But first, put our hairnet and wash our hands to prevent contamination. Wash our hands before we start cooking.
Can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby, here we go. Oh, can you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby, here we go.
And then, scoop the mangoes and put it on the blender. And blend it on the high level. And blend it until the mangoes is smooth. 4 cups of water. Add 3 cups of sugar. And add the mango pulp. And add 1 teaspoon of yeast. And mix it. And stir it well.
Pour the mixture gently in the bottle and cap it with a cork. Sprinkle yeast into the lips of the bottle and cover with sanitized cork. And keep it overnight.
Okay, so we have now the mango wine. Yay! All you need to do is just preserve it for at least 1 week or 2. Then after that, you can drink it and enjoy. Special thanks to Miss Angeline Bello for sending her email and sharing us your problem. So guys, continue sending your emails or requests at cookingwithamateurchefs@gmanews.tv. Again, this is Ronit Castro speaking. Thanks for hanging out with me. See ya! Cheers! Bye-bye!
It's like everywhere I go, my whistle ready to blow. Shawty don't even know she can get in it for the low. Told me she not a pro, it's okay, it's under control. Show me soprano, cause girl you can handle. Baby, with stars, something you can
Angeline, parang problema ka.
You can make it whistle with the music. Hope you ain't got no issue, you can do it. Even if it no bitch, you never lose it.
Kapag may song, pwede na yun!
Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it and we start.
Hi ma'am, I'm Chef Judy. Hi, nice to meet you.
Real close, can you blow my
Nag-aaway na sila, no? Yun yung parang mga sila nag-aaway na. Sige, magsuntukan na kayo! Wow, ang sarap ng mango!
I am Chef Gira. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Chef Judy.
Can you blow my
Hi, good morning. I'm Chef Gira. Hi,
Alam niyo ba, ayun si Juby, kung saan pumupunta. Sumingit naman si Arian. Ha? Wala. Si Jiro, binagpapasal. Sunit naman, pinagpapawisan na, grabe.
wala ko rin ba tayo?
Si Angela naman, atatang mo eh.
Kailangan nyo na yun.
Parang baliw lang eh.
so baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close. Can you blow my whistle, baby, whistle, baby? Here we go. it. Let me see you whistle while you work it. I'ma lay back, don't stop it.